उसका सबसे बड़ा क्रेडिट अगर किसी को जाता है जो देश के ऑनरेबल प्राइम मिनिस्टर को जाता है, जिन्होंने 2014 में
ऐसा कोई संकल्प नहीं जिसकी सिद्धि न हो सके, ऐसा कोई लक्ष्य नहीं।
This is not the government data that I am giving you, because I make it a point that every district that I go to, I visit. I try to visit as many farmers as I can. I go to their houses, I meet them, I discuss, and that also helps me in policy making. Eventually, whatever the government is doing for those people, right? So, what the policies I am making, their thoughts should be embedded in that policy. So that's my process. I go to every small villager's house. I speak to them. Could be a pashu parlor, could be a fisheries person, could be a milk federation person, and then I understand what their problems are. So it has helped me in policy making and also to generate jobs in the hills. Now, I would like to congratulate all of you over here. You're completing 25 years. There was a 3-day Vidhan Sabha Satya that we organized, especially for 25 years of Uttarakhand. And a lot of good things came up, a lot of discussions were there. Every government played its role in setting up ITI institutes. We have 167 institutes of ITI. We've tied up with top-notch companies of India like Tata Motors, Tata Technologies, Schneider, Philips, Ashok Leyland, Festo, TVS Motors, TVS Credit Line, and we've converted 26 of our ITIs into Center of Excellences. And that's a module that I'm looking to work on. I want that our kids should be given training with top companies. They should train with today's technology. They should train on today's machines to help them secure a brighter future. And I'll give you an example. Yesterday, me and Yoshiji were in a skill development Mela which we held on 25 years. And I said the same thing there. I said a kid who passes out ITI and goes to work in Sitkul. I come from an area, my constituency is in an area which is dominated by Sitkul. We have 66 industrial companies over there. और जो बच्चा ITI पास करके सिडकुल में जाता है, he used to go on a salary of 11 to 12,000 rupees a month. But after working in the Center of Excellence with Philips, Schneider, their average salary as soon as they passed out was 24,000 rupees a month. So there was an increment of at least 100%. There was a job employment guarantee of 92%. Philips trained 3 batches of our kids and 92% of the kids were employed. Chale jao, America chale jao, Japan chale jao. You will find people from Uttarakhand working there. But has the government of the day initiated or held them in any sort? No, I would say no. मेरा as a Minister of Skill Development, मेरा अपना idea ये है कि anyone who wants to serve anywhere in the world, the government of Uttarakhand should be his partner in helping him reach that goal. And in that sense, we started a foreign place. सीता शर्मा जी से यही कह रहा था कि हमारी सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम जो है वो गवर्नमेंट ही है, क्योंकि एक थॉट प्रोसेस जब हम ऊपर से सोचते हैं और उसको नीचे देते हैं तो एक आदमी पे नहीं कम से कम 100 आदमी के थ्रू जाती है, which is unlike corporate sector. If the top boss of the corporate sector decides to do something, that thought process filters down very smoothly and the policy is framed. हमारे यहाँ थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट होता है. हम एक पॉलिसी सोचते हैं, फिर सोचने के बाद बताते हैं, तो बताने के बाद वो 6 डिफरेंट डिपार्टमेंट्स में जाती है और फिर 6 डिफरेंट डिपार्टमेंट के लोग उसमें अपना माइंडसेट अप्लाई करते हैं. So by the time that policy comes back to me, it has been really amended. तो हमारे लिए इंडस्ट्री के साथ काम करना इसलिए बहुत जरूरी है, क्योंकि जब गवर्नमेंट और इंडस्ट्री एक साथ काम करेंगे तो हमारे थॉट प्रोसेस जो है वो इंडस्ट्री समझ सकती है, बिकॉज दे आर इन दैट जोन, और उसको धरातल पर उतारने में कहीं ना कहीं हमको बहुत ज़्यादा आसानी होगी. मैं आपको एक एग्जाम्पल दे रहा हूँ कि 2 months back a very close friend of mine, Sudarshan Vinuji, who's the head of TVS Motors, He's a close friend. So I spoke to him 2 months back and I said, listen, Sudarshan, we need TVS in our state. Kindly come in, become partners with the Uttarakhand government and set up Center of Excellence. And I'm happy to tell you that 3 days back, I signed MOU with TVS Motors that we are giving 3 Center of Excellences to them, Almora, Srinagar and Niranjanpur ITI Dehradun. And their credit line field, TVS credit line, which hires close to 30 to 35,000 people yearly. They also signed an MOU with us that every 6 months they'll hire close to 300 kids from Uttarakhand and get them employed in Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand helps them to start their own startups. उसी के साथ I would like to say कि what is our message for today? Our message for today is very simple. कि let us build an ecosystem where every youth has access to skill, opportunity और processes होंगे वो कहीं ना कहीं उत्तराखंड को एक नई दिशा और नई दशा देने में काम करेंगे. All I can assure you, as a skill development minister, as an animal husbandry minister, as a fisheries minister, as a milk federation minister, as a protocol and as a Chini Mill Udyog minister, that whatever help you need from us, we are ready to walk that step towards you. हमारी तरफ से आपको कोई कंप्लेन नहीं होगी कि आप हमारी तरफ एक कदम बढ़ाएं, हम आपकी तरफ कदम नहीं बढ़ाएंगे. I am a very simple person with a very simple thought process that if something has to be done, it has to be done. There are no compromises on that. तो आप एक कदम हमारी तरफ आगे बढ़ाइए. Let's work together for a better, brighter future of Uttarakhand kids. Let's make sure that we set up an ecosystem where the kids of Uttarakhand get trained in Uttarakhand, get employed in Uttarakhand, and also, if there is an opportunity anywhere abroad, they are skilled enough to fulfill that opportunity. I would like to thank all of you again. Hopefully, we'll meet up soon again. And in the next 25 years, I don't know how many of us will be alive till then, but हम आज जो policy framework करेंगे, हम आज जो steps लेंगे, I'm sure it will help Uttarakhand in the next 25 years. So thank you everyone and wish you all the luck. Thank you.